Ah, the enigma of fine art's price tag, right? Ever pondered why a canvas splashed with colors can cost a fortune? Let's waltz through the art world and unravel this mystery. Now, picture this. Each piece of fine art is like a solo performance, a one-night-only show. It's not a mass-produced toy or a run-of-the-mill shirt. It's a unique melody, a singular dance move. Just like a concert ticket for your favorite musician, the exclusivity of the piece cranks up the price. And let's not forget the years of blood, sweat, and tears artists pour into their craft. It's like a ballerina's pirouette or a chef's signature dish, perfected over countless hours. When an artist reaches the zenith of their craft, they, like a pro basketball player, can command a high price. Materials, too, play their part. Quality paints, brushes, canvases. They're the artist's instruments, and they don't come cheap. Add to that the cost of studio space, framing, marketing. It's a symphony of expenses that crescendos into the final price. An artist's reputation, their standing ovations, can also sway the price. Just like a chart-topping musician or a blockbuster actor, a renowned artist can demand a higher price. The more the applause, the higher the demand, the steeper the price. And then, there's the investment angle. Some folks buy art like they buy stocks, hoping the value will skyrocket over time. It's a gamble, but history has shown that a Picasso or a Van Gogh can indeed fetch millions. So, the next time you see a piece of fine art with a hefty price tag, remember the ballet of factors behind it. The uniqueness, the skill, the materials, the reputation, the investment potential. They all choreograph the final price. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll be the one calling the curtain on your own art collection.